So this is the first thing that you see immediately you log into your CWG Market account. And the first step you need to do as a client is you need to create your account. That means after you've done the registration process, your account has been verified, then you're not eligible to create your live account or your demo account. So it's very, very, very simple. So you're going to click on this create or view account. You're going to click on the plus sign, then you click on create accounts. So once you click on create accounts, it's going to bring out this and click on create new account. Then once you do that, I will advise you create the standard accounts because the standard account is the best account to use in CWG market. And for the live accounts, the minimum deposit is actually $50. And the good thing about this is that you get up to 100% bonus on your deposit, which means that if you deposit $50, you get an extra $50, making it $100 that you are going to be eligible or you have to trade with, and you'll be able to even leverage more and make you more money in the market. So the next step is you click on apply accounts. Once you click on apply accounts, then you choose your trading platform. So maybe you like using MT4 or you like using MT5, but me personally, I prefer MT5. So you click on MT5, you choose your currency. I prefer using your USD, but if you prefer using GBP or Euro, you can choose any of those. Then leverage, make sure that your leverage is the highest leverage. And the highest leverage here is 2,000, right? So you let the leverage be 2,000. Now, this is very, very important. So trading password settings, you need to create a password that you know you are going to remember. Do you understand? Because this password is the password you use to log in or connect your account to the MetaTrader 5 or the MetaTrader 4. So it's very, very important. So you create a password with at least one capital letter, at least eight characters, and one special character and a number. So one capital letter, up to 8 special characters, and a number. Do you understand? So you can see there must be 18 to 15 characters, contain both uppercase and lowercase letter, use a combination of numbers, letters, and special symbols. So just create your password to have all these requirements, and you can write it down somewhere if you are very forgetful of your password and stuff like that. Then you click on create account. It is really that simple. Now, your account has been successfully opened. They are going to send you an email to your MetaTrader 5 account. You're going to receive an email to your MetaTrader 5 account containing your account details. So it's that email you use to log in. You get your login number for your MetaTrader 5 account. But before we move on to the next step, you just click on the middle, you go back to client zone. You go back to client zone, then you can click on plus, then you can view your account, right? You can just view the accounts you literally just created. So it will show you MT4, no data, it will show you MT5, and to show you the accounts that you have. Do you understand? To show you the accounts that you have. So from here, you can click on deposit. So this is best for you to click on deposit here on your standard account. See, you have created this account type, standard account, trading account. This is the trading account number, and this is everything. Then you just click on deposit here, right? You click on deposit. So now, if you want to deposit via crypto, you can choose any of these crypto platforms here for your deposits. I feel like you should choose the first one, but I'm not using crypto as my deposit method. Yeah, I just click on reselect. I think you should click on this first one, this UPay. So if you click on select this one and you scroll down, then you click on confirm. It's very, very, very simple. You say choose payments method you have selected. So you choose your payments method. Maybe you are using USDT BEP20, USDT ERC20, or USDT ERC20. But the most popular one is the USDT TRC20. So I'm just going to choose that. And let's just say I want to deposit $100 on this account, right? So the estimated account in USDT is also going to be $100. The promo code, I have no promo code. Then the most important thing you need to do is you need to click on this 100% bonus application. So this is what is going to qualify you for them to give you another 100% bonus. So As I am depositing $100, I am going to receive an extra $100, making it $200 in my equity. That means I now have $200 equity to trade with. Isn't that amazing, guys? So once you click on submit, it's going to take you to another portal where you are going to click on confirm. Then it's going to process and take you to another portal where you're going to proceed to make the payments. So click on proceed to make the payments. It's very simple. So to take you to this other portal where you actually now transfer the crypto. So I'm trying to walk you through every process of how you transfer the crypto. So you can see, select the blockchain you would like to transfer to. Just click on enter TRC20 that we already choose there. Then you can see you can now use your wallet to scan the QR code or copy the copy the wallet address here, or scan the QR code, then send the funds. Make sure that they are receiving $100 or they are receiving the actual amount that you actually said you were going to deposit. Because your crypto wallet might incur some charges. So make sure that those charges are not included in your withdrawal amount. Make sure that those charges are separate from what you are withdrawing. So in essence, make sure that CWG Market is receiving the actual amount you intended to deposit. It's very, very important. Make sure that CWG Market is receiving the intended amount you actually impute to deposit. So in this, I'm just using this as an example. I'm not actually going to send any money. So I just click on cancel payments, right? So it's just going to take me back to CWG Markets because I'm not making payment. But if you make payment, it's going to take you somewhere else. So I'm just going to cancel that and cancel this as well. So now I want to now show you how to deposit with Naira, right? I want to show you how to deposit with Naira. So you choose your standard account, or you come to client zone, you click on the middle, you go to client zone, and click on view account again. You come here, you click on view account MT5, then standard account, you click on deposits, right? Then you go, you can see electronic wallets. I don't think anybody really uses Skrill or Nestella, but if you have an account and you want to use it, then sure, fine. But for Naira, for bank transfer for Naira, the best you can use is Cora Pay. If you know you want to make a transfer, use Cora Pay. If you know you want to use your card, use eVirtual Pay, this second option here. But I think transfer is better and Cora Pay is the fastest. You can use Zenny-Bank, but Zenny-Bank is very, very slow. So I really, really strongly advise against that you use it. So make sure that you click on Cora Pay, you click on select. Now it's going to bring you all this as well. Then just click on confirm. It's very, very simple. Then we do the same process again. Choose payment method, NGN. So you see in Cora Pay, you can transfer Nigerian Naira, Kenyan shillings, I think Ghana cedis, and South African rands. So I'm just choosing Nigerian Naira. My deposit amount in US dollars, 100, which means that my estimated withdrawal amount is this. But sometimes if I want to check what the rate is, what the CWG Market rate is, I can just put $1 and it will show me the rate. So you can see here the rate is 1479, which means that $100 is going to be 147,900 Naira. Then I have no promo code. Then you also make sure that you're clicking this 100% bonus application. Then you click on submit. Right, so it's going to bring you this. You click on confirm, then it will automatically take you to where you're going to actually make the transfer, which is going to be the Cora Pay portal. Then click on proceed to payment again, and to take you to Cora Pay to actually make your transfer. So yeah, I think you can also use your debit card to also pay here, but bank transfer is the best. So you click on pay with bank transfer, then pay the actual amount here. Then also, you need to also make sure that this account number that they're about to give you, you should not reuse it. So number one, first instruction is you have to transfer the exact amount only. Don't transfer 148,000 Naira. You need to make sure you're transferring 147,900 on the dot. Don't transfer 147,000 or 447,800. Transfer more or transfer less. So let me share my screen again. You need to make sure that you are not transferring more or you are transferring less. So you need to make sure that they are receiving that exact amount, because that's how they will be able to track that it is actually you that owns that transaction. Then don't use that account number again. You only transfer to this particular account number only once. So once you understand these instructions, click on continue. Then it will generate the account number for you. Then you can see it's Fidelity Bank. This is the account number. You just click on it to copy. Then you go to your bank app. Then you transfer it to the bank. Then you see the account name here. Pay to CWG checkout. Then you make sure you confirm the account name. Then you send exactly 147,900 naira that you make sure that they are receiving. So any bank charges that your bank incurs, you pay that one separately. It should not be included in this amount. They need to receive this amount specifically. So it is really, really that simple. That's how best you can actually fund your account. So with that, the money will come straight to that your standard account. Do you understand? The money is going to come straight to that your account. So the next thing for you to do is to actually log in to your MT5. Do you understand? That's the next thing to do. That's actually the next thing to do. So all you just need to do is to go to your MetaTrader 5. If you are using MetaTrader 5 for the first time, it's going to look a little different than this. So all you just have to do is to click on cancel. Then you go to settings. Then after settings, you click on new account. You understand? You click on new account or log into existing account or something like that. Then on your email that CWG sent you, you will now see your account number. It will show you trading platform, account type, trading account, and trading account password that you've already imputed, if you remember. Then you need to look out for your trading account server. So in this particular case, we are looking for CWG Market Live. CWG Market Live. So CWG SVG, right? This second one, CWG Markets Limited. We're going to click on this one. This is the one that they told me to use. So what I'm going to put next is the account number 60119-123. Then I'll put in my password that I already created, right? If you remember, I told you that I should create the password and write it down somewhere. So once you do that, it's going to automatically bring you here. It's going to load. It's going to take some time. Okay, send invalid account. Maybe the password is wrong. Let me try the password again. Give me a second. Let me make sure that the account number is correct. So you need to make sure that it's the actual correct details you are putting in there. 60119-123. Okay, let me put in the password again. I think I put in the wrong password by mistake. Unless I created the wrong password in the first place. I think I created the wrong password in the first place. All right. I think okay. I know the mistake I made now. Let me just put in the actual password. It's gonna work now. It's gonna work now. Yeah. So you can see I'm already connected. So with the password you created, it's going to show you. So any deposits you make, if I made a deposit now, it's already start appearing here in my balance. Assuming I made a deposit already, it will start appearing here in my balance. Then from there, you'll not be able to like trade, right? So if you want to trade gold, you just search for it, XAUSD, you search for gold, you'll be able to trade it and everything. Do you understand? So all the pairs are here. You'll be able to copy and paste all the signals like you were taught. So it's really that simple. That's how to navigate the CWG market broker and to actually trade on it with the MetaTrader 5 platform. You also are going to do the same thing for the MetaTrader 4 platform. This is literally the same thing. It's not complicated at all. It's the same process. I actually forgot to add something, so I just want to quickly add it. In case you want to create a demo account or a dummy account, so it's just the same process. You need to click on plus, you need to click on create account. So once you click on create new account, then you need to scroll down, right? So under here, this standard account is the live account. Then you can see under it is standard demo account. It's the same procedure. It's not even it's not complicated at all. Click on apply accounts. Then it's just the same thing. You choose MT5, you choose your currency USD, you choose your leverage, then you set your password, right? You set your password like I explained earlier. You set in your password for the account. It's very, very, very simple. I need to make sure I'm setting in the right password. Then you put in your password for the account. Like it's very simple. Then you click on create account. You click on create account. So you can see submitted successfully is being processed. Then you just receive an email, right? You receive an email to your, you receive an email containing like your details, right? Your password and everything. Sorry, your login details and everything. So it's just the same way you log in on MT5. You go to MT5, you click on new account or log into existing accounts, then you log in your demo account. It's really, really very simple. It's not complicated at all. Now, I want to show you guys how to actually place a withdrawal. So if you go back to your client zone, and beside your client zone, you just see withdraw. Do you understand? Then to show you this, then click on confirm. Then you choose it. So example, for your standard account, to read your actual balance and everything, then you just click on your standard account, then you click on it. Then also, mind you, if you used crypto to deposit, you need to use crypto to withdraw. Then if you use Naira to deposit, you need to also use the same Naira to withdraw. Do you understand? So it's very, very important. If you use crypto to deposit, you use crypto to withdraw. If you use Naira to deposit, you use Naira to withdraw. So for example, now, withdrawal method, we just click on Corapay that we used to actually deposit in the first place. Then, we click on confirm. Then it's going to ask you all these details. Then choose withdrawal method, you choose Nigerian Naira, NGN, because you use NGN to deposit. Then you see select bank recipients. You add your bank information. Do you understand? Haven't added bank information. You click on add now. You click on this add now, exactly. Do you understand? So here, you can't change your name. So you need to make sure that any account you are sending the money to is the same account you used to register for CWG. You have to withdraw back to the same account you used. So you put in your account number, your bank name, your bank address. You can just put Lagos, you can put anywhere. For Swift, you can put new, because in Nigerian system, we don't use in Nigerian system, we don't use Swift codes. Then bank code, you can also put new, because in the Nigerian system, we don't use bank code, but some other countries do use it. Then all these ones, you can put new. But the most important one is you can put your bank address to be Lagos or wherever you live, then your bank name, your actual bank name, and your bank account number. Then you click on confirm. So once you click, you can set as default withdrawal information too as well if you choose. So once you click on confirm, they will automatically process, your withdrawal. So let me just try it. Let me just put whatever bank, this thing. Let me put FKG Bank, bank address, this. I just want to, see what's going to happen, so that you guys know. But you actually need to put your actual bank address there. So once you click on confirm, once you click on confirm is successful, then you need to go back, right? You click on back, click on confirm. You choose your standard account, done. Corapay, confirm. Okay, I don't know. It's supposed to, add all this already. Okay, yes, choose withdrawal method, NGN. Yeah. So you just choose exactly, you choose this. You choose this. Once you please choose, you choose this account details. So it's automatically fill everything. Then you put the amount in USD you want to withdraw, maybe 200. Then you click on I've read and everything. Then you click on submit. Then your withdrawal will be processed. So it is really, really that simple. It's not complicated to withdraw at all. It's not complicated to deposit. It's not complicated to create your live account or your demo account. So that's everything that you need to know about creating accounts in CWG markets and withdrawing and depositing your funds.